wicked ways beneath the skin. Let all who taste it now join in. Hi, I'm Miss Andrea, and I'm going to teach you how to dance to Ways to Be Wicked from Descendants. Descendants 2, that is. Are you guys excited for Descendants 3? Now that I've seen both movies because of work, because I have to, I actually like the movies now, so I'm excited. Anyway, so get up, we're gonna dance, let's go. So this first part is for my students only. You're gonna walk in to your 3 lines that you are assigned to, and then when you get to your spot, there's gonna be somebody who's going to be passing out apples, aka me. And once you get the apple, that's when you're starting the first verse. So something, party guess they lost my invitation. So that's when you're going to be like acting out like, wow, this is an amazing apple. Wow, this is an amazing apple. Okay, and you get to sing and act it out. Then you'll get to the first chorus, and that's where this choreography comes in. So you're going to take your apple. Let's start with the feet first. So it's right, left, right, left. So it's forward, right, left, back, right, left. As you're doing that, you're going to be throwing your arms up, out, and around, and come back up. So it's right, left, left. This is for a long live. So it's long live. Then you're going to jump 4 times. And you're going to knock on the door, okay? Just like you would bum, 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 okay? So it's 1, 2, 3, 4. Make sure you're not jumping on the 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. And I don't want that to happen. I want you to jump on the 1, 2, 3. Land on the 1, 2, 3, 4, basically. So you're jumping before the 1, so, and 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? You're also banging on the door 1, 2, 3, 4. So this apple is not supposed to have shaker in it. Sorry about that. It's kind of distracting. So 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4. That's for having some fun. Then we take what we want. You're stepping and you're bringing your apple into your chest, okay? Around and in, okay? Step with your right. Slide your left foot in. Step with your left. Then this hand you're grabbing and pulling it in. Right, pull it in. Left, grab around, pull it in. Okay? Step with your right, pull it in. Left, pull it in. I'm dragging with my other foot. So I'm stepping with one foot, dragging the other foot, step with the other foot, drag the other. So that's for, we take what we want, okay? We take what we want. From here, there's so many ways to be wicked. What you're going to do is kind of you're shifting the weight of your feet. So you're stepping with your right, lifting your left heel up, then dropping it, and then lifting your right foot up. So it's like you're rocking, okay? You're just shifting your weight. I don't want to see your front toe coming up like this. Okay, so there's so many ways to be wicked. As you're putting your right foot down, your right arm will come down. So when your knee is up, your right hand comes up. And you're just doing opposite arms. It's like this. I'm going to do opposite. So many ways to be wicked. Okay? So right arm down, right arm down. So when you're doing so many ways to be wicked, then you're going to march. And you start on your right foot. That's really important, okay? So it's right foot, with, okay? Then you start on your right. So right foot, right, left, right, left. So it's so many ways to be wicked with us. Evil lives on. Right arm, left arm, and you're having your left hand in a fist. Right, left, bring it in a little bit. Okay, so kind of bring it in and then explode open. Okay, let's start that again. So it's right, left, and explode. Then from here, you're going to start on your right foot again. If you started on your right foot last time, then you'll be on the right foot for this next part. So it's with us, evil lives on the right side of wrong. This is your shifting your weight again. So right, lift up your heel. So step on your right, lift up your heel. Step on your right, lift up your heel. Okay? As you're doing that, the right side of wrong. Okay? Open up, close, cover your right eye. Open up, cover your right eye. With us, evil lives on the right side of wrong. Okay? You need to stand wide and bend your knees. Right side of wrong. From here, you just did 1, 2, 3, 4. You're going to do 1, 2, 3, 4. And you're still going to swing your legs. So it's so many ways to be wicked. Okay, so it's right, left, left. You just did right, left, swing, right, left. So that's with us, evil lives on the right side of wrong. There's so many ways to be wicked. From here, you're going to take your left arm, fingers spread like this, apple, apple. So it's left, right, then it's right, then left. Okay, so circle, throw it up, bring your arm down, and bring your left arm down, and you're going to go into a kneel. Then you're going to come back up. So it's apple, apple, dip, dip, wanna try it. Then you're going to do this, tick, tick. It's a little bit tricky. You're switching your arms and your legs. Sorry, just your arms. You're going to do opposite. So you're going to start with your right arm up, and your left arm down. And then you're going to tick, tick. Now adding your foot, you're going to bring it in. Tick, tick. It's kind of like you're a puppet. Your foot goes in. Your right arm goes down, down. So let's do that whole apple, apple section again. So it's apple, apple, dip, dip. Come up, wanna try it. Tick, tick. From here, bring your feet together and your apple up like this. You're going to walk to the back, take a bite, come on, be bold. Then you're going to throw it like you would a softball. You're not actually going to throw it. You're just going to swing your arm like that and drag your right foot. So it looks like this. Chase away, the story's told. Woo! For this next part, I'm not really exactly sure what I want to do yet. But I was thinking we could run around the stage, or you can just stay in your spot to make it easy and sing the song again with the apple acting out the lines. Moving on, after the second verse, you would do the chorus again. So let's do it in real time. So it's 5, 6, 7, 8. Long live having some fun. We take what we want. There's so many ways to be wicked. With us, evil lives on the right side of wrong. There's so many ways to be wicked. From here, it's mother always knows best. So you just throw your arms out. You're going to do this with your apple. Show her, pass every test. Just showing the audience your apple. Then cover your ears, hear her voice in my head. Then walk around yourself. Evil is the only real way to win. Then here comes the tricky part. So you're going to march right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left the whole time. That's what your legs are doing, and you have to start on your right. I cannot stress that enough. So your arms, you're going to bring your apple to the shoulder, bring it straight up to your other shoulder, tap it on your foot, then down. Bring your foot down, okay? So shoulder up, shoulder and down. Shoulder up, shoulder, foot down, if that helps you remember. So it's, we got all the ways to be, okay? With the marching, I'll do it slow. It's, we got all the ways to be, okay? So that's right, left, right. I just ran out of space on my iPad, so I switched to my phone. Sorry, it's gonna look a little bit different. So that is right, left, right, and left, okay? So shoulder up, shoulder, foot down. Let's do that again. We got all the ways to be. Right, left, right, and left. From here, you're going to do right, then left. Okay, this is for the W. So it's right foot, left foot, then you're going to jump onto your right foot, make a K. Okay, I want to see your fingers spread, toe pointed, this arm straight, everything straight like a K. Except these arms, arm and leg are out. So it's from the W. So right, left, jump onto your right foot, and left. So it's W-I-C-K-E-D from the beginning of that whole section. So it's, we got all the ways to be. W-I-C-K-E-D. Again, we got all the ways to be. W-I-C-K-E-D. Saying it with the right, left. So it's right, left, right, and left, right, left, right, left. Again with the words, with the lyrics. So it's, we got all the ways to be. W-I-C-K-E-D. We got all the ways to be. W-I-C-K-E-D. There is a section in the song where they do this part. So it's, we got all the ways to be. Then there's the hey, hey in the middle. So you're just going to jump, hey, 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 hey. Then W, make sure you start on your right foot again. W-I-C-K-E-D. Let's go. We got all the ways to be. Hey, 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 hey. W-I-C-K-E-D. Yeah. Then you go into the chorus again. Long live having some fun. Anyway, so at the end, we got all the ways to be. W-I-C-K-E-D is all together and it repeats. And then the ending is so many ways to be wicked. I would like for you guys to play with the apple, do a cool pose. You could do all kinds of stuff. Okay? Be unique. You know, think about what you want to do for that ending pose. And yeah, make it your own. So now we're going to do the song with the music from beginning to end without stopping. Try and follow along as best you can. It may look funny in some spots because I only taught you choreography for the chorus mainly. Just follow along and have fun. We got all the ways to be. W-I-C-K-E-D. We got all the ways to be. W-I-C-K-E-D. Come on. Hey, 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 hey. You guys are walking on stage. Woo! Then somebody's going to pass you the apple. Question the party, guess they lost my invitation. Friendly reminder, got my own kind of persuasion. Looks like this place could use a bit of misbehavior. Happily ever after with a little flavor. A bad to the bone, but even worse intentions. We're gonna steal the show and leave a people can change the way the story's told. It's like the darkest finally getting your attention. We're wicked by the book and class is back in session. You like it, steal it, gotta beat 'em to the treasure. Alright, it passes that just doesn't get much better. Long live having someone. We take what we want. There's so many ways to be wicked with us. Evil is on the right side of wrong. There's so many ways to be wicked. Mother always knows best. Show her, pass every test. Hear her voice in my head. Evil is the only real way to win. We got all the ways to be. Hey, 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 W-I-C-K-E-D. Let's go! We got all the ways to be. Hey, 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 W-I-C-K-E-D. Yeah! Love, live, having some fun. We take what we want. There's so many ways to be wicked with us. Evil is on the right side of wrong. There's so many ways to be wicked. Cruel and unusual. We're taking control. There's so many ways to be wicked with us. Evil is on the right side of wrong. There's so many ways to be wicked. Just march in place, have fun like it's a party. Woo! Hey, 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 we got all the ways to be. W-I-C-K-E-D. We got all the ways to be. W-I-C-K-E-D. We got all the ways to be. W-I-C-K-E-D. We got all the ways to be. So many ways to be wicked. Like and subscribe.